Can I have one hot cappuccino, please?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Here's your order po. Thank you.
Excuse me, can I talk to your manager? My cappuccino is cold.
Ma'am, I just want to confirm that, is that right, that our cappuccino we serve you is cold?
Yes, that's right. I just wasn't expecting this kind of call.
And I completely understand how you feel, ma'am. You came here to relax and enjoy a warm cappuccino, and instead you receive a hot, that must be really frustrating, especially a long day.
Exactly. I just wanted a simple treat.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, I know. Thank you very much for acknowledging your mistake.
Your fresh hot cappuccino po. Thank you. Just call us anytime.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for letting us know. We really appreciate your patience and chance to make things right. If there's anything else you need, let's